Okay, welcome to this video. And this is a STH spike trend harvester on Boom 500. So let me just place one trade, just one trade. This is a demo account, and this is the right time to enter because there's a long spike that has broken through the STH zone. So I'm just placing a buy trade, just one, placing a buy trade. You see. So remember the system, how it works. Once there's a breakthrough, you enter. There'll be a pullback a little, or it could keep just spiking up to the other zone. You understand? So let us see what happened. Look at the previous one. As there was a breakthrough candle here, and you entered here, it began to spike, take you in. It didn't cross this STH line. It came, rested on it, and began to spike back up again into the upper zone. That's how it works. So we've gotten one here now. Let's see how this will play, because look at, it's already on level 10 as well. Okay, so let's see how it will play. That's a very simple system, very powerful. Best spike catcher. Look at this one here. Look at this one, and look at two. It broke in. You entered, put you back with just 3 candles. Began to go up. When it crossed here, you close. You got profit from here to here, like from here to here. And then when it spike back in again, you enter. Then the spike brought you up again, like that. Keep taking you up. The moment you cross back again, you close your trade, wait for a breakthrough candle again, and this was the breakthrough candle. You enter here. This right one here is the breakthrough candle, and it started taking you back up again. You don't close that trade until it crosses the line properly. And look at how you made profit all through this movement. You got all the spikes. You can see what I'm trying to say. Awesome spike catcher. Look at this. Look at this one here. There was a breakthrough candle. You entered here, pulled you back a little, spiked up, and came across the line here. You close. Breakthrough candle came up in again. You entered and it pulled you back a little. You must ensure that this one is here, because once your RSI is on level 10 zone, you understand, and there's a breakthrough candle and you enter and it pulls you back and crosses back the line. Since it's in level 10, there's always a high chance that it will spike back up. Why? Because it wants to head up to where? Level 90. You see that now? That's what happened here. So as you entered here, it began to spike, began to take you up. It didn't cross the line. This way it crossed the line and you closed that trade. Breakthrough candle came up here. This was very long, brought you back in, and then you closed the trade here because it crossed. Okay, and then this one also break, you cross, you close, and little spike, you caught a little one here. So that is just it. This is for Boom. I think I made a video on crash. Look at this one here. Awesome. This was the breakthrough candle which you entered here, of course, and then it moved again. A little spike took you back in, and then brought you back up again, brought you down to a drawback of 2 or 3 candles, spiked back up again. It didn't cross the line, so your trade is still on, and there's a huge spike again that came up here, and then this one, it crosses the line with 2 candles, you close, and then the breakthrough candle came back up in again, which you entered, and then it spiked up for you, drew you back 2 or 3 candles, spiked up again. You're still holding your trade, has not crossed the line yet, and then it spiked up again. Now it's already in the upper region of the band, so you don't need to wait for it to go back far. At the moment it's spiked up, you can close your trade to secure your profits. You understand me? As simple as that. Look at these two scenarios here. This one and this one. You can see breakthrough candle. You enter from here, and then began to spike back up, drew you back a little. It didn't cross, and then boom, over. It has crossed the upper band, so just simply close your trade. Don't wait for a drawback. Look at this one, breakthrough candle here. You enter from here, it pulled you back with 3 candles and went sideways. Spiked up a little, came back 2 candles, spiked up again to equal your trade. That's break even, and then drew you back again, and then you spiked up again, you profit, spiked up again more, spiked up again. It has already crossed the upper band. All you have to do is what? Just simply close your trade. That's all. That's all. You don't close that trade until it has crossed or it has gotten to the upper bound. Look at this one, very straight and direct. Look at this. You enter from here after the breakthrough candle up. It spiked up here, spiked up again, spiked up one, and then look at this one, boom, massive. Since it has spiked over and crossed the upper band, just simply close your trade. Don't wait for the drawback when it crosses the STH before you close here. You understand? Look at this one, straight up. You entered here after the breakthrough candle and then up one, two. You close your trade. Simple as that. Simple as that. As simple as that. I think it has spiked now. I think so. You see what I'm saying? It has spiked up a little. You can see. So it crossed the line and you close. You are waiting for this spike now to cross to stand as a breakthrough candlestick. You understand? Once there's a breakthrough candlestick, you can enter the trade until it gets to this upper band region here. When it crosses the upper band to this region here, and if you're going back to cross the STH, you can close at this region in order to avoid the little small cent loss here. The pullback, your profit will reduce a little. You can close here before it crosses the STH line. You get it? So we're waiting for a breakthrough candle to cross and burst forth through the STH. Then we can enter and then wait for the other spikes that to follow in profit. Very simple to use, no long story. Very simple to use. Awesome indicator. Awesome indicator. One thing about Forex you need to understand is patience. When you're trading Forex, you must be patient. Be ready to be patient. You have to be patient. Make sure you wait for the market to get to where? To get to your level 90 in boom, and in crash to get, in boom, get to level 10. You can see just spiked again. Wait in level 10, in a boom, and in crash level 90. Let's just go and look at that spike that happened. You can see that now. This is a perfect time to enter the trade. You can see. So you enter, remember we entered here, this trade running now, we entered here because of this breakthrough candle we saw. We entered, it pulled us back a little. Now we are in profit. So you keep holding until it gets back up there, and then what happens? You can close your trade. As simple as that. Simple as that. Awesome indicator. Look at this. Okay. It is not to ride the trend, please. It's a spike. It's for spike. You can see. Somebody can see this whole move and say, "Wow, look at this trend." No, you don't use it for normal trend. It is for spikes. Okay, it's for spikes. Just take note of that, please. All right. So I'm closing this video now. At least you've seen the move, how it works. It will keep spiking until it gets to upper band, and then just simply close your trade. STH helps you save money, help you reduce your losses. You say how? Because instead of staying and waiting for a spike to come, spike always come over 500 spikes a day if you have the time to wait. More than that, you understand me? So if you place a trade, or let me say, if you are waiting for it to spike and it doesn't spike, the moment it crosses the STH, just simply close that trade rather than waiting for it to spike, and your trade keeps going in loss, in loss, in loss, in loss, in loss, and you close in loss, mighty loss. But the moment it crosses your STH, all you do is close that trade and wait for the another spike. So STH helps you reduce your what? Your loss. It helps you to reduce your what? Your loss. You can see the moment you enter from here, it spiked up and small, up, and then went back to break even again, and then went back up again, and then went back up again, and then went back up again. Close. That's all. You say, let me wait a little, whether to spike up more. After crossing this line, you close that trade and wait for another spike to happen. That's how it works, fellas. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.